Hello everyone, I'm here in Cleveland and I'm here with Kyle, who experienced with us the valuation principles and how to double, triple revenue, profits, and value. Tell me a little bit about your company and what you do.
Yeah, so I work for a company called Avatar Fleet. We are in the SaaS space for compliance and recruiting for anyone in the transportation industry.
Okay, how long have you been at the company?
I've been with the company for 2 years. I've been in that space for the past 15 years.
15 years, so you have lots of experience.
Yes.
Okay, so we're here with Jim here in Cleveland. What did you enjoy about our session today?
So I love the interactive ways we got to talk as a group. Dale put a lot of great information in front of us to say, how can you apply this in your company, right? We all come from tons of different backgrounds, but for us to be able to say, hey, I can take this back to my company. It wasn't specific to one thing, and it was small actionable steps that I can literally turn around tomorrow and use that at my company.
And you gave me two things that you want to do. What were they?
Yeah, so the first one was systemizing tribal knowledge.
Okay.
Love that because that's something we need to prepare for as we want to be a scalable company and grow. The second piece would be the Titanic, I call it the metrics dashboard.
Yeah.
And having that information and saying, these are the numbers we want to be looking at each and every month to know, are we going the right way? What areas do we need to stop and say, hey guys, let's look as a group, why are we missing this area?
And these are 3 years of graphs of each one of your metrics so that you can see the trends, right?
Yep.
Perfect. Hey, you were great, by the way, in your interaction. I just want to tell the audience that one of the most important decisions you will make in your life is to join a Vistage group. Now, I was a chair for 8 years. I've spoken over 500 times. My group had 5 to 10x in the time that they were in part of the Vistage. It is the best decision. Find a chair in your area. Be active with your group, right? Be involved.
Yeah.
It'll be the best decision you make in your life. And I'm Dale Richards, and I'm out on the road sharing this joy with you today. Thank you.